Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Student, as you know, the kind dolphin reading completed. So now today we will do its fair work. For fair work, you have to take your fair copy and take your pencil. First, you have to maintain your page, make margin line at right side, and then you have to make line at the center. Then you will mention here today's date, story number 16. Page number you have to write here. Our topic name is the kind dolphins. Word synonym. First word is kind. Synonym is gentle. Second word is broad. Its synonym is wide. Number third word is rich. Its synonym is wealthy. Number four word is plenty. Its synonym is many. Number 5 word is slipped. Its synonym is follower. Number 6 word is cried. Its synonym is weep. Student, again you have to maintain your page, make margin line right side, and then you have to write question number 1. Where did the fisherman live? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. The fisherman lived on his boat. Put full stop at the end of answer. Question number 2. How are the reverse dolphins different from the other dolphins of the world? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. Because the dolphins of this river were blind. Put full stop at the end of answer. रिवर की डॉल्फिन कैसे डिफरेंट थी बाकी डॉल्फिन से? क्योंकि वो ब्लाइंड थी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. What happened to the fisherman during the storm? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. The fisherman slipped on the deck and fell into the water during the storm. Put full stop at the end of answer. फिशरमैन के साथ क्या हुआ था? जब तूफान आया था उसका पाँव स्लिप हो गया था और वो स्टॉर्म के दौरान पानी में गिर गया था. स्टूडेंट, योर टुडेज होमवर्क इज दैट यू हैव टू डू दिस फेयर वर्क with neat and clean writing. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.